Hey, Sanevsky, and today I'm going to show you how to play the song Worthy Is Your Name. I'm going to show you how I play it, and then I'm going to get into the details. And you go into the introduction and into the verse. All right, so a quick thing about this song is that it's in the key of E flat, meaning these are the keys that we're going to be playing. Whatever you do, don't click on the original E. It's going to sound really wrong. And don't hit on the original A and B. So these are your black keys. And in case you want to improvise, just keep your hands on these keys. All right, so that is the key, E flat. And then the chords are also going to be like E flat. You're going to have a G, A flat, and a B flat. I think those are the only chords. And now let's get into the introduction. With the right hand, this is what you're going to be playing. It's a B flat, G, C, B flat, F, E flat, G. Again. You can also play this in octaves, or a little lower. So it's up to you. You can do octaves. I'm just gonna play with one. So that's the introduction. You play it through twice, and the chords for that are E flat. You play that E flat first, and then you go into the notes. So you play it 1, 2, 3, and then A flat, back to E flat with your left hand. Again, A flat, and then you go straight into the verse. So I hope that was enough about the introduction. You can always go back and listen to it again. You can also watch it in slow motion. All right, getting into the verse. The chords are E flat. Now remember, I'm keeping my right hand on that E flat, first and fifth. Then you go into the B flat with my left hand. And then a G, A flat, back to B flat. And then that repeats. So you have your E flat. Now, how easy is this when you can keep your right hand on that same spot? So that's the verse. Again, E flat, B flat, G, A flat, back to B flat. So those are kind of the chords for the verse. It's so beautiful. And then once you play that through, again, your right hand is on the same spot, then you can go straight into the chorus. So, goodness forevermore. You can kind of hold it out and then go into the chorus. Worthy is your name, Jesus. Now the chords for the chorus are A flat, and then you have a B flat, and then you have a G. Praise, worthy is your name. And this is a C minor. What a beautiful chord. So remember, you're keeping your right hand in the same exact position. The only thing you're changing is the left hand. And then again, those repeat. You have an A flat, name, Jesus, you deserve the praise. Worthy is your name. Worthy is your name. back into that instrumental. And go to verse 2. And now my shame is gone. Stand amazed in your love undeniable. Your grace goes on and on, and I will sing of your goodness forevermore. Worthy is your name, Jesus. You deserve the praise. Worthy is your name. Worthy is your name. Jesus, you deserve the praise. Worthy is your name. Now, if you want to get even louder, you can just press on the bass notes more or do some flowy style. So, so you can add more bass notes. If the flowy style is hard for you, you can always just press more. Jesus, you deserve the praise. Worthy is your name. So as you press on more of the bass, it's gonna get louder. But if you're playing with the whole band, you don't have to do as much bass, but if you're just playing piano and let's say guitar, you might want to add more bass. All right, then you go into the instrumental that's going to lead into the bridge, and the chords for that are A flat and then F minor. So you want to do when you play the F minor is to, instead of playing the 1st and 5th of E flat, I want you to play the 1st and 4th. So it's going to look like this, and then you're going to switch to 1st and 4th. So watch, A flat, and then when you switch to F minor, you're going to switch to this, and then back to the 5th when you're playing C minor, and then B flat. So those are the 4 chords for the bridge. So A flat, you can kind of hum through that bridge. C minor. Exalted now in the heavens as your glory fills this place. You alone deserve our praise. You're the name above all names. Be exalted now in the heavens as your glory fills this place. You alone deserve our praise. You're the name right into the chorus. All right, so that was kind of the bridge for you. Pretty simple. The chords just kind of repeat, and then you can go straight into the chorus. All right, that is all I have for you. And then you can just improvise. If you need help improvising or just dealing with all the situations you get put into as a worship leader, feel free to go to pianoministrycourse.com, and that's where I kind of share all the things that I learned as a worship leader. All right, see you in my next video.